Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be unboxing this Bitkey. So this is from Square. I think they go by block now. And this is a Bitkey, one of their crypto hardware wallets. Let's check it out. Shout out to my homie Jeff for giving this to me. All right. Wow. Nice packaging. Look, this Bitkey thing's pretty crazy. Looks like a meteor. Wow, it feels like super sturdy. USB-C port there. That's crazy. Really cool design. Feels really good. I'm impressed. Then you lift this up and there's a USB to USB-C cable. Check this out. Yep, USB to USB-C. Very nice. Very nice looking products. Check out the pamphlets up top. Yeah, and some cool instructions. Cool. Let me know what you guys think of this product in the comment section below. Hope you're all doing well. Very cool product from Block. And yeah, take care, everyone. Catch you all for the next unboxing video. Very cool product from Block. Catch you on the next unboxing video. Later.